Hi there. So we're at Friday the 13th, this feared day, superstitious day, of course stemming from Christianity and also from an incident with the Knights Templar and various other things. But you know what is interesting today is seeing a post about March 13th, 2020 was also Friday the 13th when they announced the lockdowns and the pandemic over here. So what's interesting to me is that 6 years is a reflection point. It's a halfway point of a Jupiter cycle. And it's usually a time when you evaluate or you're shown the opposite of what it was. So what are we being shown that contrasts? What's coming to light about 2020, COVID, and that whole period?